Elizabeth, let's just go somewhere. Really? I'm playing around with those. Y'all got some stones? Come on, Elizabeth, you scared? Y'all sound good.
Who out there? Take it. Come help!
Honey, you took good care of us with you.
Wait, do you not go first?
God damn it!
Miss Ellis's coat and Dawn his money. You think I want his folks? I ain't talking about nobody else. I'm talking about me. God knows I try. What must a man do? Tell me that!
Ouch, what's the matter with you? What do you want?
I'm scared.
Nope.
Do it again.
Ouch, what's wrong with you? What do you want?
Come on, wake up.
What for? Go away.
I'm scared.
Ouch, what's the matter with you? What do you want?
Come on, wake up.
Why?
She's saying it all the time.
Ouch. What's wrong with you? What do you want?
Wake up.
What for? Go away.
I'm scared and I don't want to be alone. I'm going out. If you want to come, let's go.
Going out now? Where are you going? What are you doing?
We
didn't think we'd get that far.